at Anderson's jetty. You reckon we can go walk through here, Bob, or what? We're on the bike track at the moment. Anderson's, that's where Anderson's live. That's the Boyne Plaza up there. Let's see! What's that crocodile? It's high tide at the moment, so it's all backing up. Oh, look at the crouchy. Look at the crouchy.
Oh, wow.
Freshwater crouchies come out of the dam probably. You can see that. There's probably a heap of them. Look at the crab here. Crab trying to take a bit of shelter. Yeah, it's a crouchy, eh? I put one on my hook the other day. Used for bait.
I'm throwing back in the water, he's getting ants all over him.
Oh, he's fresh water. He's not going to live here. Turtle hut. Used to be the turtle hut. Plane flying over. Skitty here. Lacey here. Well, she's gushing down through here. This is the Boyne River underneath the Boyne Bridge. Someone's parked his boat up underneath the other side. And it's gushing through here. Absolutely gushing through. It's right up against this rock wall. There's me mates. A lot of water rushing through there at the moment.